So you purchased your first home, congratulations. Before you use that brand new key, you're going to want to make sure you have the right tools to make that home yours. On this episode of Make or Build It, we're going to show you the top 5 tools you need to make sure you have before you move in. But before we do that, make sure you like and follow. As a first-time homebuyer, the thrill of turning the key in your new front door is just the beginning of your home ownership journey. The real adventure starts when it's time to make your space truly yours, often beginning with tweaks, fixes, and personal touches. But where do you start? The answer lies in your toolbox. Before you dive into the endless aisles of the hardware store, let's focus on the top 5 essential tools that will not only ease your home improvement projects, but also stand the test of time. I'll include links to the most popular items for each on Amazon, as well as my personal picks. Number 1, a cordless drill. A cordless drill is the Swiss Army knife of the tool world. Whether you're assembling furniture, hanging shelves, or tackling minor projects, a reliable cordless drill makes the job quicker and less of a hassle. Top pick on Amazon. The DeWalt 20-volt Max Cordless Drill Driver Kit is renowned for its balance and power, durability, and ease of use, making it a go-to for both beginners and seasoned DIYers. So my pick for cordless drill is the Ryobi 18-volt 1 Plus. I love the Ryobi line. This drill can handle a variety of materials from wood to metal. It has a keyless chuck. The 18-volt battery will last a long time and it won't break the bank. Number 2, a hammer. A solid hammer is indispensable for basic tasks like hanging pictures or assembling furniture. A good hammer feels balanced in your hand and can last a lifetime. Top pick on Amazon. The Eastwing 16-ounce curved claw hammer is celebrated for its strength, comfort, and durability, thanks to its one-piece steel construction and shock reduction grip. So my pick for a hammer is also the Eastwing 16 or 20 ounce. This is one of those hammers that just feels really comfortable to use, and this is a hammer that will last a lifetime. Number 3, a set of screwdrivers. From tightening loose cabinet hinges to assembling gadgets, a comprehensive set of screwdrivers is critical. Look for a set that includes a variety of sizes and head types, Phillips and flatheads at a minimum. The top pick on Amazon. The Craftsman 9-31794 slotted Phillips screwdriver set offers a versatile range of sizes and the trusted durability that Craftsman is known for, making it perfect for everyday household tasks. Now, if you've been watching the channel, you know I am all about using tools for a long time, whether they're a tool that was passed down from my grandpa or my dad, or even ones you got secondhand. But recently, I've purchased these Cobalt thermoplastic diamond tip screwdrivers, and these things just fit so perfectly in my hand. You know, what's interesting about them is they're angled off like a pentagon. You know how your hand actually looks when you grip. So these things feel so good in my hand. I love using these screwdrivers. They come in sets of 2 or even 6. Number 4, tape measures. Accurate measurements are the foundation of successful home projects. Whether you're buying new furniture or hanging art, a reliable tape measure is a must-have. Top pick on Amazon. The Stanley PowerLock 20-foot by 1-inch measuring tape is renowned for its durability, ease of use, and classic PowerLock feature. So my pick for a tape measure is actually this tough-built 16, or you get it in a 25-foot tape measure. One of the reasons why I love this tape measure is it doesn't just have the numbers on it. It has the subdivisions like quarters, halves, 3/4. So it's not just a little tick mark measuring to the exact right number you need when you're working on a project. Number 5, adjustable wrench. Plumbing fixes, assembling furniture, and bike repairs are just a few scenarios where an adjustable wrench comes in handy. Its versatility makes it a valuable addition to any toolbox. Top pick on Amazon. The Channel Lock 8WCB wide-ass adjustable wrench stands out for its wide opening capacity and precise adjustments, coupled with a comfortable grip that makes any job easier. Now, once again, just a good old wrench that's been passed down. I don't even know where I got this one. I think I got this one from my father-in-law. Works perfect. But recently, someone purchased me this set of Cobalt wrenches, and here's the thing, guys. These are plastic handles and metal. They actually feel pretty good when you use them. They actually have really wide mouths. And here's the thing. If you're going out and you need to purchase these tools, Cobalt is another brand that won't break the bank while giving you good quality and an efficient, durable tool. Now, each of these tools has been selected for their utility, their durability, and their price point for first time home buyers. By starting with these essentials, you'll be ready to take on any common task in your household. Remember, a well stocked toolbox is the first step towards confident home ownership. For more on DIY and maker projects, make sure to like and follow Maker Build It. And remember, keep on making.